In this video, we'll take a look at creating categories in your Blaisview gradebook. Creating categories in your gradebook allows you to sort your grade items according to type, module, etc. Categories also allow you to set weights on items so that Blaisview will automatically configure them into your final grade. Categories differ a bit based on your gradebook type, weighted versus points. In this example, we'll be reviewing a points gradebook. From your gradebook, select Manage Grades. Use the blue drop-down menu New to select Category. Name your category. Consider the different types of learning activities you offer and how they can be organized. For example, quizzes, homework, exams, final, discussion posts, etc. Optional. Provide a short name for your category. This will save space in your gradebook. Next, give your category a description. This is an optional step that allows you to describe the purpose of the category and explain the different types of grade items that would be found in this category. If you choose to give your category a description and you would like for students to see it, you must select the button next to Allow Users to View Description. Now let's look at grading properties. Decide if the category can exceed its total value. If you plan to include bonus items in this category or provide bonus points on individual items in this category, select this option. Will this category be included in your final grade calculation? If you want this category to carry weight in the final grade calculation, leave this unchecked. However, if this category will house items that do not impact a student's overall grade, select this option. Blaisview will ignore this category when configuring final grades. Determine how points should be distributed across the category. If you want all of the items in the category to have the same number of points, select Distribute Points Across All Items. From there, you can decide how many points each item will have. If you want to have the ability to attach different point amounts to items in a category, leave this option unchecked. Display options. Select the Display Class Average to Users if you want students to see the average of the category. Select the Display Grade Distribution to Users to allow students to see a chart that depicts different grade percentiles based on class performance. Both of these categories are helpful in allowing students to reflect on their progress as compared to their peers. Display options were already created when you completed your gradebook setup wizard. However, you can choose to override display options for the categories you create. To do so, select Override Display Options for this item and then select or deselect as needed. When your category has been created, choose Save and Close. Repeat this process for any categories you need to create in your gradebook.